First of all, log into your Gmail account. Now, on the top right corner, click on Settings icon. And then again click on See All Settings button. Now, click on the Offline tab. Click on the Enable Offline Mail checkbox to configure it. Now, set the sync settings for 90 days. This will allow us to view emails from last 90 days in offline mode. Click on Download Attachments. And the last option, just select Remove Offline Data to delete all emails when you log out from this browser. And save the changes. Now the page will reload automatically. You will be able to view the progress and status of the emails syncing for offline use from here. It may take some time. And mine is done. Now our mails are available offline. For easy access, bookmark this page by pressing Ctrl+D. And your inbox will be on the bookmark bar. If your bookmark bar is hidden, press Ctrl+Shift+B to show it. And we are done.